You studied English for years, but in a real job interview, your mind goes blank and you can't say anything. Today, you'll learn exactly what to say when they ask about yourself, your experience, and why you want the job. Miss just one phrase and you'll sound unsure, even if you're perfect for the position. Brian, what's the hardest part of a job interview in English?
Oh, definitely the beginning, when they say, "Tell me about yourself."
Yes, that question scares everyone, but here's the trick. Keep it short. 3 parts. Who you are now, what you did before, what you want next.
Wait, 3 parts?
Right, let me show you. I'm a graphic designer. I worked at a marketing company for 2 years. Now I'm looking for new challenges.
Oh, that's simple.
Exactly. You don't need your whole life story, just those 3 things.
What if I'm a student? I don't have experience yet.
No problem, change it a little. I recently graduated with a degree in accounting. I did an internship at a bank. I'm ready to start my career.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now, let's practice the structure. Say, I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Good. Say it again.
I'm a teacher.
Perfect. Now, the next question they always ask is, why do you want this job?
Ugh, hate that one.
I know, but there's a formula. Talk about the company first, then connect it to yourself.
The company first?
Yes, never start with, I need money or I want experience.
Right, that sounds bad.
Instead, say something like, I admire your company's work in technology. I want to contribute my skills here.
Oh, so compliment them first.
Exactly. Then add what you bring. I have strong communication skills and I work well in teams.
What are some good skills to mention?
Great question. Here are the most common ones: problem solving, attention to detail, time management, teamwork, flexibility.
Should I memorize those?
Pick 2 or 3 that are true for you. Don't lie.
Makes sense.
Let's practice. Say, I have strong problem-solving skills.
I have strong problem-solving skills.
Excellent. Say it again.
I have strong problem-solving skills.
Beautiful. Now, here's another big one. What's your weakness?
Oh no, what do I say?
Pick something small, then say how you're fixing it.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Sometimes I focus too much on details, but I'm learning to manage my time better.
So admit something, but show you're working on it.
Yes. Never say, I don't have any weaknesses. That sounds fake.
What about salary? Can I ask about money?
Wait until they bring it up, or wait until the end.
And if they ask what salary I want?
Do research first. Know the normal range. Then say something like, based on my research, I'm looking for something in the range of $50,000 to $60,000.
Should I give a range?
Yes, always. It gives you room to negotiate.
Smart.
One more thing. At the end, they usually ask, do you have any questions?
I always say no.
Don't do that. Always ask something. It shows you're interested.
Like what?
Ask about the team. What's the team like? Or about growth. Are there opportunities to learn new skills?
Those are good.
Never ask about vacation days or benefits in the first interview.
Why not?
It makes you sound like you only care about time off.
True.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. When they say, tell me about yourself, what do you do?
3 parts: who I am, what I did, what I want.
Perfect. And when they ask why you want the job?
Compliment the company, then talk about my skills.
Yes. And if they ask about weaknesses?
Say something small and how I'm working on it. This actually feels doable now.
It is. You just need those key phrases. The interview becomes a conversation, not a test.
I feel way more confident.
Good, because you have the English. You just needed the structure. Now, I want to ask you, what's one question you're most nervous about in a job interview? Tell us in the comments. And if this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.
Good luck with your interview.
You've got this.